Hi, it's me again, Farida. Today is my day off, and I decided to speak only in English. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. So join me for a little vlog in English. So today is cleaning day. Yes, cleaning deep, или deep cleaning. First, I'm going to cleaning in the kitchen. I already washing of the dishes. Now I'm going to cleaning my teapot. It's very black because in the summer we put it over of fire. The tea pasted better. The tea tasted better that way. Now, all right, we wait five minutes now. That all right. 5 minutes are up, and the teapot is super cleaning. Ta-dam! Super cleaning. After that, I'll cleaning the kitchen, the floor, the table, and all the surfaces. Alright, I've already cleaned I've already cleaning the floor. I cleaning the floor with clothes in my hands because it's cleaning that way. Next, we are going to the bathroom. Let's go cleaning there. Alright, I'm cleaning the sink now. I have small kids and they always mix it up. Now I cleaning the shower. Then we cleaning the floor. And after that, the children's room. It's a special bathroom cleaning. I'm just doing to rinse it off now, and I'm I'm done. Okay, so I've already dusted the kids' room. Now I'm going to wash the floor, and I finished it. All the rooms. So it's time to relax. Later today I will cooking dinner, but honestly I don't know what I'll cooking it. Thank you for watching this video and being part of my English journey. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.